Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime part 2. So, you'll need is less than 1 pound glue. I only have a few left. The midnight paint I got from Target 2 weeks ago. So I'll be using that today. And some shaving foam. And last but not least is my slime activator. I'm using the cup and this fork. So you'll need Elmer's glue for this video. And pour it a little bit because this cup is kind of short. Ooh, did this only... There you go. Wait, hold on. There you go. I'll be throwing this in the trash can, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Now let's put the paint in. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'll take this off. Hey guys, I'm back. Now let's pour it in. Ooh, I added too much. Here, hold on. There you go. Let me mix this very well. I might want to add a lot of shaving cream because this color is going to be super dark. I don't know. Oh, this is too dark. I want to add more shaving cream. Look at how dark it is. What do you think? Now, shaving cream time. There we go. Now I want to mix it in till it's get completely fluffy. Oh, and also, it's almost Halloween. So, comment down below what you gotta be for Halloween. Well, I'm gonna be a unicorn because I love unicorns. Comment down below if you like unicorns. There's an ant. I'm gonna kill it. Ooh, this is like a big blob of shaving cream. This is midnight fluffy slime. That's what I'm making today. Now I'm going to activate the slime. I'll be pouring this in 3, 2, 1. Here comes the slime. It's still activating. Let me add it a little bit more because it's still sticky. It's sticking. Oh God. I don't know why I got all over my hands. Sorry about that. Okay guys, I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. Here's the fluffy slime. Wait, hold on. Let me add more shaving cream because it's a little bit too dark. I don't want that. It almost looks like a pie to me when I add the shaving cream. Comment down below what do you think what it looks like, the shaving cream. Ooh, this is so pretty. I'll be getting something to put into the slime. I'll be back. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Comment down below, like, and subscribe. Bye!